Yes, no part of the video. I love seeing these beautiful transformations. Hey there buddy, why are you looking so sad? Well, I just moved to the school and I don't have any friends. Hey, I'll be your friend, all you have to do is rock paper scissors me for it. Okay. No, yes part of the video.
Okay. Jake told me he had a splinter in his foot. We made an honest attempt to get it. Like a real honest attempt.
Oh my god.
Now, a couple weeks later,
Holy.
this little guy, oh my gosh.
Serious.
I guess the x-ray wasn't kidding. Oh my god.
Are you guys serious?
Jake,
This
close
is
your
a
eyes, close your
great
eyes.
video.
Close your eyes.
This
Close your
is
eyes.
that we got that on
Holy
video.
shit. Holy shit. Jake, don't
I
look.
feel
Do
like
not
I'm being
look.
pranked.
Dude,
Jake, do not
I'm
look.
not looking. Don't worry. It's all good.
this monster
I'm.
was in Jake's foot.
That's.
Is it out?
Ahora sí el Raúl, chiste en otra vida, tipo 24.
Thank you for watching.